Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Marshall. I will be your YouTube video teacher for today. I hope that everyone did well on the test. I will try to correct those over shop week when I get back. For Thursday and Friday, I'm going to give you two assignments. The first one is to finish the lab that you started on Tuesday. So that was with the USB motion detectors and the laptops. You'll have to grab one of the laptops out of the cart, log in, open up each one of the graph files, try to match the graph as best you can, and then individually answer the questions on the back of the sheet. Hold on to them until I get back, until next academic week when we see each other again. When you're done, put the USB motion detectors up on the shelf out of the way because the other classes are going to be doing some lab things during this time. When you are done with the motion detector lab, or if you want to do things out of sequence, that's fine. I'm going to leave a motion detector worksheet for you. A moving man worksheet. Instead of using the motion detectors, the worksheet is going to be using a simulator. But basically you have a handful of scenarios. You're first going to read through the worksheet and take a look at the scenarios. A man starts at a tree, moves towards the house at a constant velocity. The man stands still, talks on his phone in the middle of the sidewalk, walks towards the house. That kind of scenario. And you're going to draw position time, velocity time, and you're going to give a shot at acceleration versus time graphs for each scenario. After you are done drawing each scenario, you are going to go to the PhET space moving man simulation on the internet. So it's easy to find. You just Google PhET, P-H-E-T, and moving man, and there it is. First option's always a go-to. You'll have to play it. There's, if there's any warnings, Java, it's fine. Just play it. And when you open it up, you'll get something that looks like this. So there's a basic moving man. You can give him a velocity, tell him to get going, and he moves to the right. You can give him an acceleration and then get him going in the other direction. So you can toy with them, but you also have the option to do this with some interactive charts. So you can go ahead and do the same thing. You can give him a velocity in the positive direction or a velocity in the negative direction, hit the play button, and now you'll get all three graphs shown for you. So for some of these examples where you have to take the man, he's going to walk out to the tree, he's going to hang out for a couple minutes, then he's going to run back to the house because he left his ice cream out, and then he's going to put the ice cream away, and then he's going to slowly walk back to work or something. You can just drag the man and make him do whatever scenario you want. Forward, backward, forward, backward. You do have to watch out. There's a couple brick walls that should stop him from getting too far away from you. You can clear everything, you can pause the playback, you can reset everything. There's all those controls down at the bottom to let you do that. Okay, so you have 2 days to complete this moving man. It's going to be individual. It's on paper. You also have the lab to finish up. I assigned you the acceleration questions from the back of the homework worksheet. I recognize that I did not take time to go over those questions with you. So my plan is going to be to go over the acceleration questions next academic Tuesday to make sure we're on the same page. I'll either collect them or check them in class academic Wednesday. I am expecting to be done with this unit next academic week. Boom. Marshall out.